Friends, what you can see in front of us is the top of this state capitol building here in state of Ohio, and I'm in Columbus right now, the capital city. And here on the top is the roof itself, and now I'm going down trying to show you one of the portion of the state capitol. So what you can see in front of us, that itself is actually the exit or entry where you have to go through the security check. And this side is the map, that how does it look. This is the, I would say, the main room, which I'm going to show you right now. Once you enter from there, you'll be pretty much going here in this room. So here there is a information booth. You can get the information about all this place, and there is actually a tour here. If you see here, this is a tour. So if you come from weekday 10 to 3 or weekend 12 to 3, you will get a guided free tour. And this is how this place look like. This is the museum shop, and this is the statue of the John Glenn. He was one of the guy who was involved with this Project Mercury and Mission Apollo, going to moon and all those things. So yeah, that's what it is. And here is some artifacts has been kept related to the Capitol and everything. You can see that. And here is some other thing kept, which is again some Coke bottle and all. There's a history behind it which you can read by pausing the video. And this is what I like about it. You can see here, these are all the counties here in the state of Ohio, and pretty much they try to engrave all this by using different kind of stones here, which is amazing actually, because this is something which is unique. I have not seen elsewhere, only in this state capital I have seen this. So this is a cool thing about it. And on this side there is actually an obelisk where all this donors are name are written, where I said, and all those company name who actually probably they actually donated money. And here is actually a statue of the historic classroom. And here is actually a Ohio Holocaust and Liberating memorial, which is I think probably outside, which has been put here in year of 2014. So yeah, pretty much that's what it is. This side is some garden or exit, but yeah, so pretty much this is what it is here. Cool place, come and check it out. And thanks for watching. Follow me on social media for more content. Thank you.